Welcome back to my channel. Crochet handbags are a popular and stylish accessories. You can create unique designs using different crochet uh, stitches and patterns. If you have any specific question or need tips on crocheting handbags, feel free to ask. Designs. There are countless crochet handbags designed to choose from. Here are a few ideas. Organic square bag. Create colorful organic square and join them to make a retro inspired bag. Boho friend bag. Incorporate French for a trendy bohemian look, and latest stylish crossbody bag, a smaller bag with a long strap, ideal for hand-free convenience. Clutch, elegant and perfect for formal occasions. You can find crochet pattern for this design online or create your own custom designs by experiment with different stitches and yarns. Color happy crocheting stylish design handbags. Stylish crochet handbags design often invaluable unique texture, color and embellishment. New and latest color. So guys, I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see these videos till the end. Use a beautiful and different stitches pattern with vibrant color for a trendy eye-catching look. And onboard bags, transition between shadows of a single color. For a subtle and stylish gradient effect. Crochet a lacy overlay on top of a solid base for an elegant and delicate appearance. Experiment with textured stitches like popcorn, bubble or cable stitches to create a visually appealing texture style. So I hope you like it, guys. Please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Mention me comment section.